Okay, it's me here once again. And this time we will go through the neural machine translation demo hands-on. So, what we are doing here? What's the big picture? So, we want to transform spoken language from one language to another. And for that we need three components. So, first we need some component for speech to text. Then we need another component for to transform that text from one language to another, and then for the final component we need to transform that text to some audio file. For the first part we will use speech recognition library, and for the text to text or language to language transformation we will use the Helsinki NLP's neural machine translation models that were released in the Hugging Faces Transformer library. And for the last part we will use Google's text-to-speech, so GTTS library. I will divide this video in two parts. So first part will be the setup, where we install the packages and make a virtual environment with conda and stuff like that. And in the second part we'll discuss through the small demo I have made. So I'm here with my Visual Studio and here I'm going to start with the setup. So first we want to create a new environment, as I do for most of my projects, so it's quite neat to separate each environment into different conda environments to keep the dependencies separated. So to create the environments, just write conda create n-n for environment, or the name of the environment, and then let's have like speech demo NMT. Then we activate the environment. And then we install pip and Python to this specific conda environment. And we want to use Python 3.6 for this demo. So that will do it. Then for the neural machine translation models we're going to need PyTorch, and the PyTorch site has instructions to install a correct PyTorch version, but basically how it goes, it's just the basic commands and then you give your CUDA version. So to check your CUDA version you need to type nvcc and then version. So here you see I have version 10.1, and this is the correct way to check your actual like CUDA installation. If you check it from NVIDIA SME, this will give you your drivers and your driver version, and I guess this is like the latest CUDA version that this driver supports or something like that, but this won't tell the actual like CUDA version that you have. So this is just something you need to know, and I've had some pain with this in the past and few hours wasted with this. So NVCC version to check the correct one. But let's now install the PyTorch. So Then we need a bunch other libraries. So one is the Transformer library from Hugging Face. So and if you're not yet familiar with Transformers library, I suggest you introduce yourself to it. It's a great library for all kinds of NLP tasks, so definitely worth checking out. Then for the neural machine translation, we need few more, or at least one more. So we need this Moses tokenizer. Don't ask me about it, I don't know the details, what it actually does, but we need that. Then we need the speech recognition library. Of course. Yes. Then we need Pi Audio, and we're going to install it from conda. Some of the dependencies are better handled there. I had some errors with the PP installation. Then we need something more, at least VLC for some of the file processing. Then I'm going to check, do I need something more? Yes, we need GTPS. And that should probably be all. Let's move to desktop and then test it with the speech recognition file that I have. It seems to download correctly, or if it starts, yes. Seems that it got through the imports and got the thing ready, so I think we're ready with the setup, and in the next video I'm going to go through the demo, so see you there.